Fix pet bite marks and dents on baseboards before painting over carpet by repairing, sanding, and cleaning each damaged spot so paint lays smooth and lasts. Start by removing loose fibers from the carpet edge and protect the carpet with painter-quality tape and a thin protective barrier tucked against the baseboard. For bite marks and small dents, use a stainable, paintable wood filler applied with a flexible putty knife, pressing firmly to fill voids and feathering the edges so the filler blends with the baseboard profile. For deeper gouges or missing profile, pack the gap in layers, letting each layer cure until the surface is slightly overfilled, then trim back once fully hardened to match the original contour. Sand the repaired areas with a fine grit sanding block using light, even strokes parallel to the board to avoid rounding edges and to produce a smooth transition from filler to wood. Wipe the entire baseboard with a tack cloth or a lint-free damp rag and allow it to dry so dust will not show through primer or paint. Prime the filled areas with a high adhesion primer and then finish with 2 thin coats of paint, sanding lightly between coats only if needed to remove imperfections. Common mistakes include using too soft or crumbly filler that shrinks and cracks after drying, which you avoid by choosing a quality, exterior or interior grade flexible wood filler and applying in thin layers. Another issue is over-sanding, which rounds the profile and makes the baseboard look altered, so sand gently and follow the original lines. Finally, people skip cleaning dust before priming, which causes poor adhesion and visible texture, so always wipe clean and let surfaces fully dry before priming and painting. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors and browse projects like baseboard repair so we can compare approaches and get realistic quotes. We also help contractors find work by connecting them with homeowners and hosting a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn best practices.